Is there nothing in this world that you love?
Folks, you just woke up, folks. You ain't even wash your
Work all summer, work all winter, man.
folks. You ain't even wash your face yet, folks. I could
That
tell.
ain't the point. The point is, when the hell you coming on the podcast?
I'm gonna be in the rack on the 4th. We could do it like the 5th or something.
Yeah.
How long are you trying to have me, gang? I ain't gonna lie, my schedule be tight. You could just pull up on me and we could just do some shit, freestyle.
I only need you for an hour.
For an hour?
Yeah. In and out. You know, I'm a celebrity too, so you know, all the blogs and you know, I have to be in and out too. So
My bad, gang. On phone. I already know how you coming out. We could do it though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be in Chicago in like 2-3 days, so we could do it.
all right, bet, man. Like
I seen the low. You could just pull up
man.
on me, folks.
You've been lying for 2 years, man. You told
Man,
me I had
nobody
to
been lying to your lame ass dude.
feature. You told me I had a feature on the album. You cut my feature out on the
No,
album.
I had you on the skit. I ain't had you on the feature, man. Feature trim. You so fucking weak on phone. Raps his ass on folks. I'll jump
Don't
on
worry
your
about it.
album though.
We gonna have a freestyle
I'll
battle.
jump on your album though. You can't get on my shit on phone. I can't have my shit flopping, folks, but your shit can flop on folks. So I don't give no fuck about your album flopping. I get on your shit, gang.
My shit do a double platinum by itself right now.
So, I get on your shit. I jump on your shit, but you ain't never jumping on my shit ever on folks. But no, I need you for real though. I ain't gonna lie. I need you for this video, folks.
All right,
I
when you
need you
try
for
to
a
do that.
video shoot. I don't know, but just when I call you, folks, you ain't that fucking famous, dude. You ain't that. I don't give no fuck what you got going on. If I call you the day before, your ass better get on the plane and come to me, folks. I ain't trying to hear none of that shit.
Let me tell you something, Herbert. I am.
Why you gotta call my real name though, gang? Like,
Is it? So, do you prefer what is it, Swervo or G Herbert?
I'm
Is it?
saying though,
Is it?
nah, why
Man,
you gotta do that, folks? You think? Nah,
man.
I be wondering. Like,